This 3D animation will visually explain the positive effects non-surgical spinal decompression administers to the intervertebral discs of the spine. This view demonstrates healthy discs with normal disc height. Over time, the discs of the spine may deteriorate, bulge, or herniate. A disc herniation can occur in any disc of the spine, but the most common form is a lumbar disc herniation. Symptoms of a herniated disc can vary depending on the location of the herniation and the type of soft tissue involved. In many cases, severe and unrelenting pain will radiate into the region served by an affected nerve root that is irritated or impinged by the herniated material. Non-surgical spinal decompression gently pulls the vertebral joints apart. It is believed this precise process produces a negative pressure inside the disc, causing any herniated material to slowly recede away from the affected nerve root and back into the disc. It is also believed through this process the disc is rehydrated, aiding in its restoration. Spinal decompression is a non-invasive treatment and is known to have a very high success rate.
Trigger points are tight bands of muscle that are caused by irritation to the nerves that come out of the spine. If the irritated nerves have existed for a long period of time, chemical changes take place in the muscle. The trigger points or spasmed areas remain constant and cannot be removed by standard massage or manual therapy techniques. And that's why trigger point injection therapy is so important. Traditionally, steroids have been used to relieve trigger points, often leaving harmful side effects for the patients. We use a natural botanical, which gets amazing results by not only relaxing the muscles and relieving pain, but also by breaking up that scar tissue within the muscle. Plus, because it's a natural, plant-based substance, it has substantially less harmful side effects.
So at first I was very sore the first 2 times I came and got adjusted, but after that I noticed I was standing up straighter. My neck feels so much better after using that pillow, and I always had this like kind of tilt to my body, which you pointed out during the x-rays. And overall, I thought they were just problems with getting older, but it was actually my spine was just messing up my whole body, just like sores in different places. And yeah, it is getting so much better now. It's great.
My spine was so out of alignment. I was in pain all of the time. I was hurting very badly. Every year, the x-rays show that I have improved. It's slow going, but I know I'm just so much better.
I aggravated an old injury, and that caused inflammation in my lower back and some severe sciatic nerve pain that was shooting down my right leg. I had a hard time walking without pain. He determined that I would be a good candidate for decompression at that time. And after the second time I was treated, I experienced such amazing relief from the pain. It was so significant that I realized we were right on track. I went forward with that, and man, I haven't turned back, not a day. The treatment's been very successful, and I'm very pleased with the relief that I've been getting.
With the decompression, which is stretching the neck out, life-changing.
Right.
I no more pressure in my eyes. Like I was sharing, no congestion in my ears when
Right.
people would tell me that was allergies.
Right.
I had fallen in 2017 down some stairs, slipped, and I had this little bit of pain. You fix that, you know, with the adjustments.
Right.
So I'm able to be in the garden without that my back getting stiff.
Well, I hurt my back last year in October, and I went to a regular doctor, and they just wanted to give me Motrin. So I thought I would rather find a different approach to my pain. So had a consultation with him and was very impressed with, you know, the way he explained how things worked, and I decided to sign up. And I've been coming for a year now, and I feel so much better. And I'm very happy with what's been going on. And I feel great.
Hopefully those of you who are thinking about spinal decompression learned something today. And for those who are also experiencing pain, lower back or neck, make sure to give our office a call or click the link below to learn more. All right, I'll see you guys next time. So ultimately, that's what a trigger point is. If you have any questions or you think you may have trigger points, make sure to feel free to contact our office today.